Y'all sit down.
Come over here. Just what you don't like about that girl?
Scary ass motherfucker. I swear I can't stand that.
Let's talk about the fight that happened yesterday.
Stop! Quit for me, just go bust it out. I'm still doing bust a move.
They done. Let's talk about the fight that happened yesterday.
Oh boy.
So what happened?
All right. So you were Taylor went up to Crystal, right? And she was like, I heard you telling everybody yesterday she wanted to fight me, right? And Crystal was like, I ain't say that. And Taylor was like, well, let's get this over with, you know. So she got up or whatever. Crystal started taking off her earrings like she was gonna do something. She pulled her head up, and then so Taylor pulled up her shirt and put on her shoes, and then they got all up each other's face like, hey. And Crystal called Taylor bitch. Taylor said, I got your bitch. Put a ponytail wig. I stood over there, yes, ma'am. And say, I got your wig. And then that's when Taylor said, bitch, Michael. And then, you know, Miss Driscoll got in the middle of it. Taylor was like, and then, yeah. So Taylor told Miss Driscoll, she was like, Miss Driscoll told Taylor, she said, Taylor, you calm down. Taylor said, bitch,
Tripping.
no, you put back over here.
Oh.
So, that's a Taylor told Miss Driscoll, fuck her. And Miss Driscoll was like, nah. So Taylor was like, bitch. So Miss Driscoll, her friend, and she's trying to get at Crystal, so she picked up the microphone and did like that. Miss Driscoll, you know, Miss Driscoll moved her head aside. She said, bitch, you know, so fighting all this and that, you know, Taylor was looking like that. Crystal was looking like a straight up gorilla. Her hair was like this. Her hair was all like that. She was like this. And it was, who asked you to stop? Mind your man, shut up. Well, we have another Crystal fight right here.
Better get her.
Like was going said. Yeah, that's what happened.
Because I would have been there, but I was absent. I was right there too, cause the table.
That's not even fair.
Yo, why you lying? Your bus was early.
Yo, so we had front row seats, I was like, sis, right? I was bent on top of her like that.
I don't know where you would have been.
Man, nobody can record the fight.